Hello you guys, welcome. I'm Parshvik. On this channel we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. Today video I want to talk about some tips to help you get more sales, or if you want to make some serious income from the print on demand business, I'm going to talk about that, or receiving sales or money every single month from your print on demand business. These tips are going to help you. Let's dive in. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. We have a lot of the cool product, the links are in description. We have courses, planners, Zazzle, Creative Fabrica, Teachers Pay Teachers, Teepublic. All the links of these courses and planners and guides and ebook are in description. You can very well check it out. I also have the tools, the affiliate links of the different tools. I'm gonna receive a small percentage commission if you click on my link and buy something from their platform, or you can use it for free. The links are in description. If you're interested, you can check it out. Anyways, let's talk about some tips that's gonna really help you drive the game for your print on demand business. The first tip I have for you: have multiple stores. Yes, I think I've talked about this topic a lot many times about having a multiple platform strategy, like not just having a shop on one print on demand platform, not just on Redbubble, Teepublic or Zazzle, but at least using 2 to 3 different print on demand platforms to showcase your work and to sell your work and designs. But today I'm going to talk about multi-store strategy. It's actually having a multiple different stores on one platform itself. If you are actually selling on Teepublic, Redbubble, whatever, and you see some success, you see some sales, you see that there is a growth on this platform, you're bringing in more sales, the designs you're creating actually helps you bring in sales, then start having multiple different shops on the same platform itself. For me, I have a multiple store strategy on Creative Fabrica, Zazzle, on Teepublic, on different platforms where I sell my print on demand designs, or I sell my digital downloads, or I sell my work. Okay, so having a multi-stores, it's really going to help you, not just creating a store around one general topic, but you can be more specific. Like you can have one store talking about politics, one store talking about entertainment, one store talking about wedding, Christmas, Halloween, whatever guys, whatever. Have multiple stores on the one platform itself, so you're not just reliant on one single platform or one single store. You're just not relying on one single store. You have multiple different stores, and you can publish the products depending on your own schedule that fits you every single day, week, month, whatever. And that can help you bring in more sales every single month from the different platforms. Because if you're targeting the different niches in the different stores, like for example the Christmas niche in one store, so it's gonna bring you sales around the time of the Christmas, and then it's gonna off the season or of the sales, not that much sales in the rest part of the year. So you can cover up with this store with some other niches in the different store. Christmas niche on this store, summer niche, winter niche, whatever guys. So you can have sales every single month all throughout the year. That's the first strategy. The second strategy is about multi-platform strategy. I'm going to talk about it if you haven't think about it or heard about it before. Having a multiple platforms where you're selling your work, not just selling on Teachers Pay Teachers, or not just selling on Teepublic, Redbubble or Zazzle. Have a multiple platform. I sell my work on multiple different platforms. I sell on Zazzle, Teepublic, Displayed. Before that, I also selling on the Society Stakes. I sell my designs, my digital downloads on Creative Fabrica, Teachers Pay Teachers. And I also have threadless shop as well. Now I'm not currently uploading on, but I do have one. So I have these more than one platform where I'm selling my work. Okay, so you can do the same thing. You can have 2 to 3 different platforms. You can go with Redbubble, Teepublic. You can even have an Etsy connecting with the Printful, Printify, whatever, Guten, whatever print on demand company you want to go with that. You can have a Zazzle, you can have a Displayed, threadless, whatever guys. Okay, and I have made videos about all these platforms. You can very well check the playlist on my channel to want to know more about these platforms if you're just a beginner. The third tip I have for you guys is developing the proper strategy about evergreen and trending niches. Now this is a very hot topic, and a lot of the people talk about trending and the evergreen. Some people say upload more trending, some people say upload more evergreen. You gotta find your own silver line over here. I can tell you that I upload sometimes trending, I upload sometimes evergreen. So I have like a mix of these different kinds of the niches and products in my store. So I find a balance for me. You can find a balance for you. You can go with the trending in the beginning to get the first few sales or get more sales and actually hype up your store. and then you can wrap up with that evergreen, so that once the trend is over, you're gonna get the sales with the evergreen. So you can find the perfect balance for your own shop. And I think that every shop is unique, every designer is unique, so the strategy that works for my own shop may or may not be working for you. But sometimes I take it for some store, I have a 50-50% strategy, like 50% trending, 50% evergreen. For some store, I have 60-40, 60 evergreen and 40 trending. Like, okay, I go with my own store, whatever it's selling in that store. And I have multiple different stores, multiple platform strategy, multiple different stores on one platform. I have multiple different store on Zazzle, on Teepublic, on Creative Fabrica. So every store I go according to the store, how it's performing. So I can't say you give one rule that you have to do this way. You find the silver lining for your own store, what works for you, and go according to that. Another tip I have for you guys, please keep on uploading new designs. Don't stop there. Of course, it's a passive income, but you gotta upload new designs, because I can tell you that if you're selling on the Zazzle, I think after a year or two, if your old products is not receiving any views, is not getting any sales, those products will be hidden from the marketplace. Yes, it happens with the store. You go on your store and you see you have 1,000 products, okay, but not all products are live on the marketplace. Some products are hidden from the marketplace because they didn't receive any sales, they didn't receive any views, they didn't have any hype around, or they are very old, outdated products. Zazzle don't have that products anymore, or the designs are very outdated, or the year you are using, for example 2023, 2022, like you are making a new year calendars or planners, and they are no longer valid right now because you can't edit the design. You can create a new product, but you can't go and edit the old designs. So those products are outdated right now. So you gotta keep up flow in your shop. So you gotta keep on uploading new products. Of course, you can go back to your old products, you can update the title and tags, and you can make them live again, but the chances of them selling may be there or may not be there. But all these platforms work that they allow the new sellers to get the sales by uploading more designs, consistent basis, whatever fits for you. You don't need to upload 10 designs a day, 20 designs a day if it doesn't work for you. One design a day still work, okay? Or 5 design a week still work, okay? Doing something then nothing is better than doing something, okay? I hope it makes sense. So even if you're uploading 5 designs or 5 products a week, it's still better than uploading nothing. So have a consistent flow of new designs in your shop. So in that way, you are consistently getting income, because old products will going to be outdated if they are not getting any sales or any views, and they're gonna be hidden from the marketplace. Some products you can go back and you can actually make them live again in the marketplace. For some products, you literally can't do anything. So they're gonna go outdated. So you gotta have a continuous consistent flow of the new products. It's really important. I do it now. I used to do it so much in the beginning of my print on demand journey in the 2021 and 2022. I don't upload that much right now, but I'm still consistent, like every single week or every single month, whatever fits my schedule. So whatever fits your schedule, be consistent with that. That's another tip. The last tip that I'm going to talk about, guys, is try with the different kinds of the niches. In the beginner, if you're a beginner not getting that much sales or not even get your first sale, try with the different niches, different stuffs. And also, if you want to make a consistent sales, try with the different niches. I do that. I just don't sell just one product or one particular niche in my particular shops. No, I have a multiple different niches going around in my shops, and sometimes I go with the trending, sometimes I go with the evergreen, play around with the different ideas, different niches, different designs, what's trending, like retro was trending and still trending. So I play around with the different things. And you can also take the help of the creator guide, especially if you're selling on the Zazzle. They have the creator guide every single year. They launch it and they give you ideas, keywords, niches, products that you can target, specifically catering to the birthday, Christmas, holidays, okay, wedding and business, and all that creator guide they do launch. So make sure you keep yourself updated with these platforms as well, because they're going to keep you updated with the new products. The last bonus is please go with the new products, the latest products. Every single year the platforms launch some new products. It depends which one they are launching. So make sure you upload your designs on these new products, because these new products are a new great way to get the more sales, because not many designers are going with that. And another, and this new products will going to be there on the home page of these platforms, because this is a new product and they want to showcase to the people, hey, it's a new product, maybe you're interested by this one. So they're going to showcase the new product. So there are the chances your designs may get be showcased by that new product, because the competition is lower in these new products in the beginning. Later on, the competition grows when everybody enters. So that's a great way to bring in the sales and continuously bring in the sales. So hopefully this video will going to help you. Let me know. I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.